Now you have all your fantastic data about your social media and blogging activity. But how do you get the whole picture? How do you put them all together? With an analytics report. Producing an analytics report is all about identifying your KPIs, your key performance indicators. KPIs are business metrics used to evaluate factors that are crucial to your success. You need to have KPIs clear in your mind since the very beginning. Otherwise, you're not going to know what to measure and you get lost in analytics land. You'll also need to set a time frame that matters most to you. That might be 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, it's your choice. An analytics report is not just useful to yourself, but to anyone else that will have to check your results. If you want to present your data to a client or an investor, you need to produce a nice report that is readable and immediately understandable. My advice to you is to write. Don't just put numbers on it. This will help you understand what's going on as you are forced to organize ideas in your brain. Download the template, complete the file with your numbers and your text, and give it a try.